In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Shopify store with Notion using Zapier or Make.com in just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your workflow or an entrepreneur aiming for efficiency, this guide will help you manage your orders and inventory more effectively. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have your Shopify and Notion accounts all set up and ready to go. If you haven't created these accounts yet, you'll need to head over to their respective websites and register for them. Shopify will be your hub for managing all things related to your online sales, from product listings to tracking inventory. Meanwhile, Notion will act as your digital workspace, perfect for organizing and visualizing your store data in a more structured way. Once your accounts are up and running, you'll need to connect Shopify with the Notion using Zapier or Make.com. These are powerful automation tools that enable you to automate workflows between applications. The choice between these two depends on your personal preference, but both platforms offer user-friendly interfaces. Head over to Zapier or Make.com and sign up if you haven't already. Start by creating a new Zap or scenario, depending on the platform you choose. This is where you'll configure how your Shopify and Notion talks to each other. Next is setting triggers in Shopify. These triggers act as a signal to start the automation process. Decide whether you want your automation to be triggered by new orders or inventory updates. By doing this, you're taking the manual labor out of tracking changes or updates as they happen in real time. Once you have your trigger set up, the next crucial task is mapping the relevant Shopify data fields to a Notion database. Essentially, this step ensures that the information collected from Shopify, such as customer details, order numbers, and product quantities, is being accurately transferred into your Notion workspace. This involves linking each piece of data from Shopify to the corresponding field in Notion, which allows you to visualize and manage your data with ease and efficiency. Alright, now that you've set everything up, it's time to test the connection to make sure everything is running smoothly. Send a test trigger from Shopify to see if the information upflows into Notion as expected. Pay close attention to whether all your data appears correctly and whether it's placed in the appropriate columns in your Notion database. This step is crucial as it ensures that once you activate the automation, it will function error-free. Finally, activate the automation once you're confident that everything's in place. By doing so, you'll ensure that moving forward, your workflow between Shopify and Notion is entirely automated, saving you time and reducing the risk of manual errors. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Shopify with Notion, setting up a smoother, more efficient way to manage your store's data. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy automating!